Do you believe that only overweight people can get diabetes? If so, you're not alone. Misconceptions about diabetes are widespread, but today we're going to dispel some of these myths. First up, the myth that only overweight people can get diabetes. While it's true that obesity is a risk factor for type 2 diabetes, it's not the whole story. Individuals of all body weights and structures can develop this condition. In fact, even lean individuals are not exempted from the risk. Now, on to the next myth, that diabetes only affects older people. Yes, the risk of diabetes does increase with age, but it's a condition that can touch people of all ages. Children and teenagers are not immune, with type 1 diabetes often diagnosed at a young age. Ever heard that eating too much sugar causes diabetes? This is another common myth. Consuming sugar directly does not cause diabetes. However, excessive sugar intake can lead to weight gain, a risk factor for type 2 diabetes. Now, there's a belief that diabetes can be completely cured. While it's true that diabetes can be managed through lifestyle changes, diet, and medication, there is no magic cure. Diabetes is a chronic condition that requires long-term management. But wait, can people with diabetes eat sweets? There's a myth that they can't. In truth, people with diabetes can enjoy sweet foods in moderation as part of a balanced diet. Monitoring overall carbohydrate intake and adhering to dietary guidelines is key. Another myth we encounter is that only type 1 diabetes requires insulin. This is not the case. While insulin is often needed in the treatment of type 1 diabetes, many people with type 2 diabetes also require insulin as part of their treatment plan. Lastly, there's a myth that diabetes only affects blood sugar levels. Diabetes doesn't discriminate. It can affect other body systems, including the eyes, kidneys, nerves, and heart. It can also increase the risk of serious complications, such as heart disease and stroke. In conclusion, it's essential to dispel these myths about diabetes. Understanding the truth about diabetes is a crucial step towards better awareness of the condition. Always rely on reputable sources of information and seek advice from healthcare professionals for proper guidance on diabetes management. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your health.